Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make high-fidelity prototypes. These detailed mock-ups are essential for visualizing your final product and gathering accurate user feedback. They help bridge the gap between concept and reality, ensuring everyone understands the design intent. We will cover everything from choosing the right tools to iterating based on user insights, helping you create compelling and functional prototypes that truly shine. Selecting the right software is your first major step. Tools like Figma, Adobe XD, and Sketch offer robust features for creating interactive prototypes. Think about your team's workflow, existing design systems, and how easily new members can adapt. Some tools excel in real-time collaboration, which can be a huge advantage for distributed teams. Choose what best fits your project's scale and complexity.
Hey everyone, quick pause. If you're enjoying this guide on high-fidelity prototypes, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Your support helps us create more videos like this. On another note, who has time for cleaning when you're busy prototyping? Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, keeping your space spotless. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
When designing, always keep the user at the forefront. Focus on creating an intuitive experience that feels natural and easy to navigate. Consistency in your visual design, using established branding and component libraries, builds trust and familiarity. Every button, every input field should provide clear feedback, making the user feel in control. Attention to these details elevates your prototype from good to great. The true value of a high-fidelity prototype comes from testing. Put your design in front of real users and observe how they interact with it. Pay close attention to their struggles and listen to their suggestions. This feedback is invaluable for identifying areas for improvement. Don't be afraid to iterate. Refining your prototype based on these insights is how you achieve a truly exceptional product. It's an ongoing process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.